Hi, today I want to show you how I fix this issue, because when I export with the Daz To Blender Bridge, I get often this with high-heeled characters. And here's how I fix it. Back in Daz, I open it up, then I unparent the boots in this case, make sure they're still selected. I go to Tools, enable the Joint Editor, then I right-click somewhere in the viewport, then I go to Edit and Bake Joint Rotations. I click that, and now I can reparent the boots back again by just drag and dropping them onto the main figure. I select it. After the main figure is selected, I go to Edit, Figure, Bake to Transforms, which will bake in some of the morphs like toe spreads, or when you apply boots or heels, there's often morphs in the background enabled as well. Now right click again, go to Edit, Bake Joint Rotations, and that's it. We are already done. Now let me send to Daz To Blender, uncheck Bake Subdivision. Don't need this for here. I did it to fix some poke through which I had, because the mesh that was exported had less resolution than in Daz Studio, and of course there's some poke through in Blender then. If you want to fix that, that's one version, but you fix it in Blender, it's easier. Let me reimport the new figures that I just exported. Now, as you can see, bones are sitting fine, they look normal, nothing exploded. Now we can even go to pose mode and just select to rigify. The best thing about this is now the default rest pose, and now they are rigified. As you see, they move a little bit, but you can readjust that by, well, moving those heels. If I find a fix for that, I will make a follow-up video. But right now it was just to get this done. Alright, I'm out. Bye bye.